Have you been doing the same workout routine for the past 3, 4, maybe 5 months? Are you tired of doing the same old workouts, same exercises, because you can't find weights online because everyone else has already bought them to hang their clothes on? Well, friends, if you're looking for the next latest and greatest thing to home fitness, then look no further because we have something for you. Well, from the people who brought you fanny pack and satchel comes backpack. Backpack is a no-hassle, take-anywhere solution for your workout needs. Just throw in anything that you have laying around your house to the desired weight, zip it up, and start moving. You can do things like curls or squats. How about overhead squats? Lunges with the weight on your back? Lunges front-loaded? Good mornings front-loaded? Bent over rows? Tricep extensions, shoulder press, a modified one-arm bench press, kettlebell swings, a one-arm thruster, lateral raises, frontal raises, and reverse flies. Wow, what a workout! So hop on down and get yourself backpack.